Hi, my name is Shreya Gulati. I'm the lead designer here and I work with everything visual, whether UI, UX, illustrations, animations, anything visual, everything visual, I take care of it. So my role includes a lot of things, whether it be designing a new script for the product or whether it includes just even something as simple as sending out an email. We make sure that everything is designed a certain way for the right audience, in the right manner. And the best bit about doing everything and anything here is that there's absolutely no hierarchy, there's total freedom. There's a lot of challenging projects that keep coming in and out. So that's kind of really fun to work with. And the people out here that I'm working with, even though it's corporate and everything, it's very relaxed, it's very non-hierarchical. So you get to have your own say and everybody's very open-minded to your ideas and they take your ideas in place. It's not just like you're throwing ideas at them and you're not getting heard or whatever. It's all very open-ended and open-minded and all of that, yeah. So one thing that I loved working here in terms of because it's a finance company and it's a trading company, the best thing is that even though if you don't know anything, you don't feel left out. You don't feel like, oh, it's a challenge, and people are very accommodating to that. People are very understanding and they help you sort of come over that very easily. That was my biggest challenge when I came here on board, because how do you cater to an audience that you don't understand? Because if you don't understand what the product is like, how do you cater to that? So it's been a very core reason why I love working here. People are very accommodating. They are very helpful and they have really helped me understand and settle in terms of everything that the product entails. If you want something extremely challenging, if you want to get your hands dirty with anything and everything, it's a very open space. You can create anything and you are always heard. So I think that's the total combination of the whole thing. I think it's a great place in that sense. We have great people here working with us. They're extremely talented. You can always pester on your brains. You can bug anyone for anything and you can produce anything you like till the time it's entailing the product, and it's really open and it kind of helps you grow in your own space as well. So I think that's a great combination of all. We've already created the app, for example, and within that there are so many components, so many things that one can do. And I've already understood certain things from basic to the completion, and even though that process is already finished, it's never really ended. So it's always you're learning, and as design itself is you're always learning, you're always building new things, you're always doing something new. And because the space is as such that you can do and you do end up doing so many different things within one space, that's I think as in terms of future, you can do so much. Your portfolio increases tenfold. You're catering to an audience which is so varied. So I think in that sense, the future should be really great here, because you at least end up spending so much time building your portfolio and building something so varied over so many spaces and over so many mediums. I never say no. I never ever say no. I think that's my thing. If there's anything that you throw at me, I will never say no. Whether I've ever done it or not, whether I'm terrible at it, whether I'm great at it, I will never say no. Nothing is repetitive, nothing is too boring, nothing is too difficult. I just never say no. And you have to always try everything. So that's what makes me super. So come join RKSV and stay super.